Now I'm introducing another model of our repeater. But this repeater will be different from the other two that we introduced. So this repeater we call SFR600. It have various special features. First, it supports the power on password. So this feature makes the repeater more safe. So not everybody can access the power on the repeater and to configure this repeater. So this is the first feature. And it also supports the AC and DC power supply. So this interface is the AC power supply, and it also supports the DC. And when we connect the DC power supply, and if the AC power supply is plugged in, but it will be automatically switched to the AC power supply, and the DC will be off. So this repeater has another special function, that is the heat dissipation, because it has an inbuilt mini fan. So this is the inbuilt mini fan. This one can make the repeater cooler and make its working time longer. And also, this repeater supports UHF and VHF. And for UHF, the output power from 10 to 25 watt. For VHF, it supports from 10 to 30 watt. So this output watt make the repeater can cover the longer distance. And also, this repeater, we can check it's very light. It's very light. It is only 6.4 kilogram, and it supports 160 channels. So there is a very important, the key feature of this repeater is, because we call it SFR single frequency repeater, it means it supports the two time slot. So two time slot DMO mode. Usually we have two radio for DMO mode. They only can cover this distance. For example, like this. The distance, for example, is 20 kilometers. But if we put this repeater in middle of these two radios, so it can cover the distance will be 20 kilometers, another 20 kilometers. So the distance will be 40 kilometers. So the function of this repeater is to extend the distance of the coverage. So why this repeater can work in this way? Because this repeater, it is a single frequency, and it's DMO mode. They have two time slots. One time slot for receiving and another time slot for transmitting. So that's the reason this repeater can work in DMO mode as a repeater. And this repeater so far, it can support the GPS optional, and we can provide the power supply as an optional accessory. And we also can provide the programming cable, and we also have the RSM for this repeater. So far, that's all the introduction about this repeater. Thank you.